Okay, those who are not given the attendance, okay, those who are not given the attendance, just scan this QR code. Is the QR code is visible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just scan this QR code. Those who are not given the attendance. Yeah, so I think it is all of you had already given. So let's start. So is it clear to all of you, or you're having any doubts till now? Okay, so write down the question. Write down the question. So one. So what is given? The page size is given. Okay, write down. Page size is given. The page size is 8 KB. Okay, the page size is 8 KB. And physical address. Okay, that means how many bits are used for physical address given, which is your 32 bit. Okay, and your page table size is given. Page table size is given, which is your 24 MB. How much? Okay, clear? Now what you have to calculate? Now you have to calculate uh, the logical address, number of bits used for the logical address. Okay. Then what is the number of bits used for the D? Okay. Then what is the memory supported for the secondary memory? What is the memory supported for the main memory? And what is my size of the process? Process size क्या है? Okay. What is my process size? What is my process size? Okay. So let me draw the diagram for you for how it is given. Now there is a CPU. Fine. Now CPU will generate a logical address. Now this logical address is nothing but say P and D. Now this D will be say for what? In case of your frame. Okay, P and D. Now this will gives you a physical address, and this physical address is mapped to the main memory. And there is a secondary memory. Okay, this consists of different pages. This consists of different frames. Now in between them, I am having a data structure which is called page table. Now this page table is consist of frame and there are page numbers. Okay, P0, P1, P2. That we name as X number of pages are there. X number of pages are there. Now this P will be find the equivalent F. Now this F is transformed or this combined to give the physical address. Yes, now tell me the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Now what is given? The total number of bit is given here, which is your 32 bit. I'm using the 32 bit. Okay. Next is what is given. Your page size is given, which is 8 KB. Page size is 8 KB. What else is given? The page table size is given, which is your 24 MB. Okay, one more interesting thing here is given. Now, this particular page table, okay, every frame is consist of additional 5 bits. It will having a frame number, okay, it will have a frame number plus additional 5 bits. Clear this point? Now this page, because as we know, okay, as we going to study different types of paging technique, okay, in multi-level paging or uh, inverted page table. So we will have some additional bits apart from the bit used for the field number. Okay, apart from the bit used for the field number, we will also have some additional bits that will be representing whether the page is valid or not, whether the page is so, uh, can be find or not, whether the page is corrected or not. So we will do some certain number of bits, which is reserved. Okay. So in this case, the reserved number of bits are 5. The reserved number of bits are 5. Now find this options. What will be the answer for this question? Yes, so you have to answer this 5 one. Okay. What will be the number of bits used for the logical address? what will be the number of bits for the offset address? What is the memory supported for secondary memory? What is the memory supported for primary memory? And what is your process size? What is the size of the process? क्या होगा आंसर पहले का? Anyone? Okay, what will be the number of bits for D? What is the number of bits for D?
So 13 bit.
Number of bits for D is how many bits?
13 bit.
14 or 13? So how
So
we can
13.
13? Anyone else? What is the answer for D? What is the answer for D? Anyone else? Nobody is replying. क्या होगा number of bits for D?
13 ही आ रहा है सर।
How to calculate? मैं बताया था पेज साइज से आपका क्या निकलेगा? D का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा, ठीक है? Now we know that page size is your 8 KB. Now page size is 8 KB. That is equal to, I will take 2 to the power of D into byte addressable 1 byte. So I can write 2 to the power of D is equal to 8 into KB can be equal to 1024. Okay, 1024 byte. है कि नहीं? और ये क्या हमारा byte होगा. Now this byte goes cancel. Now this 2 to the power of D is equal to how much? Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 and 1024 can be written as 2 to the power of 10. Now it is nothing but 2 to the power of 30. So what is the value of D here? The value of D is 30. Clear? All of you is clear? What is value of D? Value of D is 30. Now tell me if I am using value of D equal to 13, okay, then what is the value of F? What is the value of F?
19.
It will be 32 minus 19 because we know that F plus D
19.
इक्वल टू कितना है? F plus D इक्वल टू 32 है कि नहीं? फिजिकल एड्रेस है कि नहीं? F plus D फिजिकल एड्रेस दिया और 32 बिट. Now F will be equal to 32 minus D, that is equal to 32 minus 13, which is equal to 19. Clear? Now this F will be 19. Now tell me if this D is 13, this D will be also how much? How many byte? अगर ये 13 दे रहा है तो इस D को कितना होगा?
13.
It will be also 13 because both are same. As I already said, no, the page size, page table size, and frame size will be same. अगर ये भी 13 है तो ये भी 13 होगा. Fine. Now what next we will have? Now this we are fine. Okay, D का value आ गया. Now can I find this memory? Yes or no? Because we know that total number of bits कितना 32. Can I find the size of the main memory? What is the size of the main memory? What will be the size of the main memory? What will be the size of the main memory? Yes. So how many bits are used? 32 bits. If I know the physical address, how many bits are used for physical address? Can I find the size of main memory? Tell me, yes or no? If I know how many bits are used for physical addressing, can I find the size of main memory?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me what will the answer. What will the answer?
Sir, 4 GB.
So it will be very simple, 2 to the power of 32 into byte. Again, it will be 2 to the power of 2 into byte, and this is 4, and I know that this is GB, so 4 GB. So what is the main memory? Size of the main memory? Size of the main memory is 4 GB. हो गया। हमको क्या निकालना है अभी, प्रोसेस का साइज निकालना है, ये निकालना है, और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। बट हमको क्या पता है, सेकेंडरी मेमोरी का साइज निकालने के लिए मुझे नंबर ऑफ बिट्स का पता होना चाहिए। ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ बिट्स का पता होना चाहिए, है कि नहीं, है कि नहीं। Now coming back here, now what is the f value? F is 19. So can I replace this f equal to 19 here? Yes or no? What is the number of bits used for f? Number of bits used for the addressing के लिए कितना यूज हुआ? 19. So here also आपका जो maximum use होगा वो 19. Now tell me the total size of frame in a page table equal to how much? और total size of कितना हो गया? Total size हो इसका 19 plus 5. Now 19 bit for, now see here, 19 bit for the frame, okay, addressing frame, and 5 bit extra for the maintaining the information about it. Okay, तो total size कितना हो गया इस frame का पेज टेबल में? ओके, पेज टेबल में इस फ्रेम का साइज कितना हो गया? 19 plus 5 which is equal to 24, which is nothing but 3 byte. Yes or no? 24 बिट यूज हुआ ना, एक फ्रेम में कितना बिट यूज है एड्रेसिंग के लिए? 19 plus 5. Is it clear this point? How I'm calculating 24? 19 bit.
सर
Yes.
सर 5 कहाँ से आया?
Now 5 is given. Okay, in the 5 it is given. Now in a page table, okay, जब आप page table पढ़ोगे, now page table not only contain the frame, okay, frame addressing, ठीक है, फ्रेम का एड्रेस के अलावा एक्स्ट्रा बिट्स रहते हैं इसके पास। एक्स्ट्रा बिट क्या होता है? इट विल कीप इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द फ्रेम, लाइक whether the frame is corrupted or not, whether the frame is valid or not. Okay, इसको invert page table बोलते हैं। ठीक है, some extra bit are reserved इन पेज टेबल जो रहता है ना, यहाँ पर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बिट आपका रिजर्व रहता है। और हम लोगों ने बोला यहाँ पर जो एक्स्ट्रा बिट रिजर्व है, क्वेश्चन में दिया था ये, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है 5 बिट इज एक्स्ट्रा रिजर्व फॉर योर मेंटेनिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पेज टेबल। ठीक है, तो अभी टोटल नंबर ऑफ, ये टोटल साइज कितना हो जाएगा पेज टेबल का? दिस प्लस दिस, मतलब एफ के लिए कितना बिट यूज किया हम लोग? एफ के लिए 19 बिट यूज कर रहे हैं, है कि नहीं? एफ के लिए एड्रेसिंग के लिए 19 बिट यूज कर रहे हैं, और एक्स्ट्रा 5 है आपका मेंटेन के लिए। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बिट कितना हो गया? 19 प्लस 5 बिट, that means 24 bits I am using, whole total 24 bits. That is nothing but how many bytes? 24 bits means 3 byte. I am using 3 byte. Now what is indicate? Now each size of each page table, okay, size of each page table is 3 byte. Size of each page table is how much? 3 byte. Okay, and how many pages are there? We are assume there is X number of pages. There is X number of pages are there. Okay, there is X number of pages are there. And what is the total size of the page table? It is given 24 MB. 24 MB दिया हुआ। Okay, 24 MB. So from the formula क्या था? So formula क्या था? Total number of pages, which is your X, into size of each pages, which is your 3 byte, will be equal to what? Will be equal to what? It will be equal to your page table size, which is equal to 24 MB. Yes or no? Is it correct? Is it correct? It is clear to all of you why I am written this formula. Now this is my page table. Okay, what is the size of my page table? Is 24. How it is achieved? Now this is my total number of pages. This is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 3. Okay, how do I see total number of pages into size of each page? Now what is size of each page here? The size of each page is your 3 byte, 19 bit for the frame and 5 bit additional, which is 24 bit, which is nothing but 3 byte. Is it clear? Now can I find X value? Can I find X value? So X equal to what? 24 MB मतलब it will be 2 to the power of 20 byte by 3 byte. Fine. Now this goes cancel. Now this X equal to how much? This X equal to this 3 ones are 3, 8. 8 into 2 to the power of 20. Okay, or I can say this X equal to how much? 8M, 8 million. Fine. 8 million pages are there. How many pages are there in my page table? How many pages are there in my page table? It is How much? It is 8 million pages are there. Clear? Now this point is clear to all of you. How I find? Now what is this 8 million? 8 million. Now this 8 million is nothing but how many pages are there? This is up to start from P0, P1, okay, P2, P3 like that. It will be 2 to the power of 20 plus 3. 23 to the power of 23 minus 1 pages are there. Clear? Is it clear? If this point is clear to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this much pages are there. Now for a program, now what is that? What will be the size of the program? How to calculate size of the program? So as I already said, to calculate the size of the program or size of the process, sorry, size of the process. Now this part, size of the process के लिए क्या formula था? Now if I want to calculate size of the process, size of the process, size of the process, which will be nothing but your total number of pages. What is total number of pages? It is 8 million into page size. What is the page size? Page size is 8 KB. It will be 8 KB. So if you multiply this one, it will be something like 2 to the power 3. Let me break this one. 2 to the power of 20 into, it will be again 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 10. So if you multiply this one, it will be something, what?
Sir, 64 GB.
2 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 30. So size of the process कितना आपका 64 GB. Okay, the process size is 64 GB, which is, that means the process is very big process. Okay, the process size is 64 GB. Clear how we calculate it? Remember, size of the process is nothing but total number of pages. Okay, total number of pages into page size. Into page size. What is my page size? Page size is 8 KB. Fine. Fine. Now coming back, how to find this logical address from page table? From the page table, how we can find this logical address? Now, how many pages are possible? Now we know that 2 to the power of 8 million pages. That means 2 to the power of 23 pages are possible. That means ये जो p का वैल्यू क्या होगा? p का जो एड्रेसिंग वैल्यू होगा कितना होगा? मैक्सिमम 2 to 23, which is nothing but if I break this one, suppose I say this p equal to n, okay, and this total equal to l, okay, just careful listen. Now l क्या आपका? L is equal to n plus 13. Okay, this 13 nothing but this d. Now I have to find this value of n. I have to find the value of n. Now what is the value of n? The value of n is nothing but total number of pages. Now total number of pages क्या आपका? Total number of pages is 2 to the power 23. This will be nothing but 2 to the power of n. Now what is the value of n? Value of n is your 23. That means 23 bits. Okay. If you look at 8 million location, how many bits are required? 23 bits are required. Now this value of n is 23. Now tell me what is the number of bits per logical address? It will be, number of bits per logical address will be 23 plus 13. Logical address will कितना हुआ? 23 plus 13, which is equal to how much? 36. Now 36 bits are used. What is the size of secondary memory? What is the size of secondary memory? 36 bits are used. Yes, what is the size of secondary memory? 36 bits are used.
64 GB.
64 GB और ज्यादा होगा. 36 ना? 36. Yes, it will be 2 to the power of 6 into what? 2 to the power of 30. So it will be equal to almost 64 GB. So nothing but the size of the process. Okay, the size of the process. We are assuming the entire process is completed. So anyone has any doubt? Regarding this problem? Anyone has any doubt?
No,
सर सर यहाँ पे जो लॉजिकल एड्रेस में n का वैल्यू 23 आ रहा है,
हाँ,
ये तो सर p प्लस d के बराबर होगा ना?
P प्लस डी के बराबर नहीं होगा, डी अलग है। L जो है ना, L कितना है, L का वैल्यू ये है, ये दिस P प्लस डी। P क्या है ना, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस क्या है आपका, मतलब P देखो, P में बोल रहा हूँ, P क्या है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस। फिर भी अब 23 बिट हम लोग यूज करेंगे। हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट लोकेशन, डिफरेंट पेजेस आर पॉसिबल, इट इज 2 to the power of 23 पेजेस, है कि नहीं, which is nothing but your this x value, पेज टेबल का x value, because all these pages will यहाँ represent करेगा ना, पेज 0, पेज 1, पेज 2, पेज 3, all the pages will be there. The program, आपका जो प्रोग्राम जितना भी पेजेस चाहिए, ठीक है, जितने पेजेस चाहिए, it will be stored here. Fine. तो इसलिए आपका टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, if you able to find this one, because I know the total memory, I know that the size of the frame, that means पेज टेबल का साइज कितना है, ठीक है ना। दिस पेज टेबल साइज, दिस पेज टेबल साइज इज डिफरेंट, ओके, दिस इज फॉर सेकेंडरी मेमोरी एंड दिस इज फॉर द पेज टेबल, फाइन। If I know this, I know this, I can find total number of bit. If I find this one, so I can easily find the total number of bit used for the P. If I able to find P, then P plus D को ऐड करके क्या आएगा, लॉजिकल एड्रेस। Okay, so this is asked in gate question. Okay, the question आपका था, आपको you have to find this only this part. So find the number of bit used for the, find the number of bit used for the logical address, which will be, answer will be 36. Okay, you have to find the
Sir.
number of bit used for the logical address. Yes.
सर साइज ऑफ प्रोसेस कितना आया है?
Size of the process is also 64 GB. Okay, because we are assuming the biggest process. Okay, यहाँ पर जब assume किए, there is only one process which is occupying all the memory. इसलिए यहाँ पर size of the process which is equal to your page table. मतलब that is equal to
पेज
second
टेबल का साइज 24 MB है ना?
page table का size 24 MB है, लेकिन size of the process जो है वो 64 GB है। साइज ऑफ द प्रोसेस, मतलब अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ प्रोसेस P है, तो एक प्रोसेस P है, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट, अज्यूम दैट नाउ एंटायर प्रोसेस, एक ये प्रोसेस P जो है पूरे सेकेंडरी में एक ही प्रोसेस है, ठीक है। नाउ सपोज दिस प्रोसेस P0 व्हिच इज ओनली वन प्रोसेस इन माय सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। नाउ पेज टेबल में हम लोग क्या रखते हैं, नंबर ऑफ पेजेस। नाउ सपोज दिस प्रोसेस P इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सपोज 100 पेजेस, 100 पेजेस डिवाइडेड, तो पेज टेबल में क्या रहेगा, 100 पेज रहेगा, 100 पेज रहेगा, और ये फ्रेम नंबर का फ्रेम एड्रेस रहेगा आपका, ओके, फ्रेम एड्रेस, उसके अलावा एडिशनल बिट रहेगा, फाइन। दैट इज मल्टीप्लाई गिव्स यू पेज टेबल का साइज। सो डोंट कंफ्यूज विद द पेज टेबल साइज एंड प्रोसेस साइज। ओके, एज ऑलरेडी इन द क्लास आई ऑलरेडी सेड, प्रोसेस साइज मतलब how many pages the process is required, okay, that will be stored here, and the size will be total number of pages into your this page table size. Getting my point or not? Yes.
Yes sir.
So you have to remember that very first class where I explained the concept how we are translating in non-continuous memory allocation में, how we are translating this logical address to the physical address. Now this is possible with the help of a data structure called page table, where each of this indexing are represent your page number and each of this block represent your address of the frame. Okay, address of the frame. इसलिए हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे okay, is it audible to all of you, my voice?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
Okay, so let me give one more question. Just try this one. Let us see if you can solve it or not. Just wait for a minute. So there will be definitely one question. Okay, 1 to 2 question हमेशा आंसर पूछता है। Okay, time to solve this question, all of you. Now consider a logical address space of 8 pages of 1024 words each mapped to the physical memory of 32 frames. Then how many bits are there in physical address? Yes? What was the answer for this one? So what it is explaining, so from the physical address space of 8 pages. Now how many page table? How many pages are there? In a page table, how many pages? Now this x equal to how many pages? This x equal to 8. Fine. 8 pages are there of 1024 words. Now each of these pages 1024 words. Okay, each of this is 1024 words. Fine, or bytes you can convert this one is that means each of the size is 2 to the power of 10. Each of the size is 2 to the power of 10. Then each each of these maps the physical memory of 32 frames. Okay, now how many frames are there? How many frames are there? 32 frames are there. 32 frames are there. Now there is 32 frames are there. Fine. Total 32 frames are there. Then number of bits for M for a physical address. Now the physical address के लिए M का number of bits क्या होगा? How many bits we are using for this physical addressing? So can I calculate the page table size? Can I calculate this page table size? The number of pages is given and number of words is given. So can I calculate the page size? Can I calculate the page table size? Yes or no? So what is the page table size? What will be the page table size?
8 into 1024.
X equal to 2 to the power of 10. So it will be 8 into 2 to the power of 10. So it will be something. When I write this one, 2 to the power of 30. Okay. Now this page table size is 2 to the power of 13. Right. 2 to the power of 30 page table size. Now this is my process size. Basically, now this is my process size. If this is my process size, this is my process size. And how many frames are there? Now this 32 frames are there. Okay, it will be 32 frames are required. Now this will be like my process size. This is now what is given each map on the physical memory of 32 frames. Physical memory of 32 frames. Of these map to the physical memory of 32 frames. Now if there is 30 frames, okay. Now there is 30 frames. Okay. If there is 30 frames, then how many pieces are required number of frames? Now there are 30 number of sections. Okay. There is 30 number of sections in my frame. मेन मेमोरी जो है रेफरेंस से 32 है। तो f कितना बिट होगा? व्हाट इज साइज ऑफ द f? व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ द बिट ऑफ f? f will be what? This is 32. It means 2 to the 5. 5 bits are used for f. 5 bits. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. If 32 locations are there, that means in my main memory, how many frames are there? In my main memory, how many frames are there? 32. Total number of frames are 32. Yes or no? That means these frames are represented by what? This is particularly represented by f plus d. F plus d. Again. Now, what is this f? F is nothing but represented by this bit. If there are 32 locations, so what will be the number of bit for the f? It will be nothing but 2 to the power of 5 equal to 2 to the power of n. Now n is equal to 5. That means for f, how many bits are required? For f, how many bits are required? We require 5 bits. Okay. Now you have to find the value of d, because they are asking how much bit is for m physical address. Now we know that physical address is f plus d. So we know that there is 5 bits are required for the frame. Okay. Now you have to find the value of d. So we know that the value of d is nothing but your this particular page table size. Okay, page table size. So we know that the page table size is basically nothing but the entire program. This is my secondary memory. Size of the secondary memory. Okay, this is my size of the secondary memory. So if I know number of pages, whatever number of pages, there is 8 number of pages. Okay. Now can I find the space size? Can I find the page size? Yes, we can find. Now I know that this into this page size. Okay, this page size will be equal to total memory. Total memory is equal to 213. So what is the value of x? Now there is 8 pages. That means 2 to the power of 3 into page size, which is equal to 2 to the power of 13. So if you find the page size, now page size equal to what? Page size equal to 2 to the power of 10. Okay, the page size equal to 2 to the power of 10. Okay, now if the page size equal to 2 to the power of 10, can I find the value of d? So what is the value of d? Now 2 to the power of d will be equal to 2 to the power of 10. Now what is the value of d? The value of d is 10 here. Now what is the total physical memory required? The physical memory required f plus d, which is nothing but